You've probably seen this type of 3D documentary videos on YouTube that explains different topics in a 3D documentary style. Many creators are using the same style and pulling millions of views. Like, see this channel, the name of Fern. He's gained almost 5 million subscribers with posting only 125 videos. And the popular video of this channel hit 21 million views. And assuming a $7 RPM, it has probably made around $147,000 with only a 6-minute long video. But you might ask, this video's production cost is very high. Well, yes, because these are created in Blender with high quality and cinematic scenes. But don't worry, I will create one docs file that will make your work in the hands of AI, and it's 100% free just for you. Now let's see what you'll learn in this video. I will show you how to come up with video ideas, scripts, cinematic visuals, voiceovers, and finally, editing. So after watching until the end of this video, you will be able to make videos like this.
The door explodes open at 3:17 a.m. Black uniforms flood the hallway. Federal agents, don't move! A teenage boy freezes, laptop still glowing. Encrypted messages still live. Crypto wallets still open. He doesn't run. He doesn't speak, because he already knows it's over. But what no one in that room understands is that this kid just took down an international cybercrime empire, or built it, and what happened next changed everything. He looks like any other teenager, 17 years old, quiet neighborhood, suburban street, no criminal record, no warning signs, just a bedroom, a laptop, and unlimited internet access. But that was just the beginning. His name, never fully released due to age, starts appearing in fragments across encrypted forums. Usernames change, identities rotate, but one pattern stays consistent: precision, control, and an unusual level of discipline.
Let's get started. I have added all the prompts you need in this docs file, which you can find in the description. Now copy the idea generation prompt from the document and paste it into a ChatGPT free account. Once you press enter, ChatGPT will give you a list of 10 different video ideas. You can choose any idea from the list and start making videos. And if you don't like these ideas, just say more, and it will give you a new set of ideas for you. For this tutorial, I will choose number 3, the dark web kingpin next door, how a teen built a $1 million crime empire. So after choosing a video idea, it's time to convert it into. Open the docs file, scroll down, and copy the script generation prompt. This is a detailed prompt, so just copy and paste it into ChatGPT. Now add your video topic in this prompt. After pressing enter, ChatGPT will give you the exact script in Fern style. As you can see, it starts with the opening hook, and it will also give you the video title. So just download or copy this script. Back to the docs file, scroll down and copy the image generation prompt. Now paste it into ChatGPT and press enter. Now ChatGPT reads this prompt carefully and says, "Send your sentences." Now open the script file and copy the first sentence of your script and paste it into ChatGPT. Wait a few seconds and ChatGPT will convert your sentence into a high-quality image. As you can see, it works 100%. Just download it. Now copy the second sentence of your script and paste it into the same chat to maintain consistency. Wait a few seconds and it will generate your second image. So repeat the same process to convert all your script sentences into images. But you may face one problem if you use a ChatGPT free account, and that is the limitation. So you can easily solve this limitation problem using temp mail. Let me show you how it works. First of all, log out of your current account in ChatGPT, as you can see. Now open a new tab in Chrome and search temp mail. Open the first link. This site will give you a temporary email address. Just copy this email and go back to ChatGPT. Click the login icon and paste your temporary email address. After pressing continue, ChatGPT will send a code to your email address. Go back to the temp mail site and scroll down. Now you will see the code sent by ChatGPT. Just copy it and paste it into ChatGPT. Press continue. So finally, your new account is created. Repeat the same process every time you see a limitation problem, and it's 100% free. Now it's time to convert these images into videos. Now I am using Qwen AI for video generation because it generates high-quality videos without the limitation problem, and it's 100% free without any watermark. Check the link in the description. Or you can directly search on Chrome browser for Qwen AI and open the first link. Click the video generation icon. Now click the plus icon and select Create Video. Select the ratio 16:9. Now click the plus icon and add your first image, which you made with ChatGPT. Now go back to the docs file and scroll down. As you can see, there are 10 cinematic camera movements. Copy one of these according to the situation. Paste it into Qwen AI and press enter. Wait a few seconds and it will convert your simple image into a cinematic visual with 4K quality. And you can see it is not showing any watermark, so just download it. Now go back and add your second image. Again, go back to the docs file and copy another camera movement. Paste it into Qwen AI and press enter. Now it will generate your second video scene. So repeat the same process to generate all your images into cinematic videos. For voiceover, first of all, copy your entire video script and open Google AI Studio. Go to the voiceover section. Now go to speaker and you can see multiple voices. Listen carefully and select the voice you like. Now add the video script and click run. Wait a few seconds and it will generate your voiceover. Just download it. Open any editing software and import all your video clips and voiceover into the timeline. Now set all the scenes according to the voiceover. Add text wherever needed, and finally add background music. When the editing is done, just export it. Now your first video is ready to publish. So this is the